Good morning to all the students of DLED, second year, session 2018-2020. Subject Pedagogy of English, subject code S6, Unit 1. Our question is, what are the problems in the way of teaching learning process of English in India? We know it very well that teaching of English at primary stage is a very difficult task in India because most of our students don't acquire this subject. They learn it in schools. So this is a problem for them. The following are the problems which make hindrance in the way of teaching learning English in India. Number one, fear of English language. This is the most and foremost problem of Indian students. Most of the students have a fear that if they speak English, if they read English, if they write English, it will be errorful and they can make mistake. Although it is not the truth. They make mistakes, they make errors while they speak their native languages, their home languages too. But they don't care for it. So first and foremost problem is fear of English, and this fear is not only among students, it is also among some teachers too. Number two, lack of motivation. The teacher must encourage the learners to use more and more words of English in both their classrooms, playgrounds, society, etc. Number three, wrong method of teaching. Most teachers are still using grammar translation method of teaching. They read the lesson line by line themselves and translate into Hindi and other home languages. We know that it is the traditional method of teaching. It is the deductive method of teaching. And they are still unknown about constructivist approach. So our teaching of method is wrong. Next, lack of practice. We know that there are 4 basic skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. हिंदी में इसको कहते हैं सुबोपली, सुनना, बोलना, पढ़ना, लिखना. So equal emphasis must be given on these 4 skills. But we see in teaching of English, we put emphasis only on reading and writing, and we leave putting emphasis on speaking. Next, mother tongue's interference. Even in the teaching of English, in the period of this subject, we see that interference of other tongues is very dominant. The students as well as teachers too speak freely in home languages. They don't speak in English. So, this is also a problem. Though multilingualism is not our weakness, it is our strength. But it should be checked up after class 3. Up to class 3, the students must be allowed to speak in mother tongues too for learning English. And after class 3, it will be checked up by the teachers slowly. Next, lack of audio-visual ads. Audio means the ads by which we listen to only. Suppose radio, tape records, gramophones are audio ads. Visual ads are the ads by which we observe only. Suppose, or such as blackboard, chart, figures, diagrams, etc. And audio-visual ads, the ads by which we observe and listen to at the same time. For this, television, cinema, etc. come under this category. So these ads make our teaching interesting. These ads generate interest for English among learners, but unfortunately, there is lack of these ads in our schools. And last, completely, some of the suggestions are given here to tackle these problems. Number 1, make the learners feel free and comfortable in the use of English. They may have commit some errors, they may have some mistakes, but with the teachers teaching English should avoid it and encourage them to speak more and more. Number 2, teachers should use more and more English words in the classrooms. Number 3, encourage the learners to read English newspapers and listen to English news. Number 4, make the learners feel that English is also a simple language, very simple language, like other home languages, they speak at their homes. Number 7, encourage them to do project works. Number 8, provide them easy and interesting materials such as short stories, rhymes, jokes, etc. Number 8, providing them easy and interesting material. Number 9, encourage them for friendly talks in English. Students should be asked to talk in English among their friends, whether they are in classroom or outside the classroom or at their houses, at their homes. They should speak more and more English instead of other languages. 10, we must avoid their mistakes, errors, as we do in other languages too. हम लोग जिस प्रकार अन्य भाषाओं में भी एरर करते हैं, मिस्टेक करते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग उस पर ध्यान नहीं देते हैं। हिंदी हम लोग बोलते हैं, उसमें भी गलती करते हैं, भोजपुरी बोलते हैं, उसमें भी गलती करते हैं। तो फिर अंग्रेजी में अगर गलती हो जाती है तो हम शिक्षकों को उसको अवॉइड करना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट, वी मस्ट मोटिवेट them to write something in English starting from known and familiar topics. हमें बच्चों से जो वे जानते हैं उसी टॉपिक के बारे में कुछ लिखने को कहा जाना चाहिए हमारे द्वारा। और वो हो सकता है सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन, अबाउट देयर फेवरेट टीचर, अबाउट देयर स्कूल, अबाउट देयर विलेज, about their village fair, festivals, pet animals such as cow, elephant, dog, etc. From page number 12, 13 and 14, Pedagogy of English 2, sponsored by SCRT Patna for DLED course ODL mode.